The interior is always a way of self-expression. Therefore, the fundamental principle of arranging personal space is to achieve harmony between the environment and your inner worldview. The choice of furniture and the style in which a bedroom for a woman will be decorated depends on many factors: age, temperament, social status, taste preferences, lifestyle, etc. When planning a bedroom for a girl, you should take into account some factors that will help you choose the best solution so that the hostess is happy. First of all, you need to focus on the age of the one who will own the bedroom. Take into account the cost and hobbies of the future hostess. For example, athletes will need a place to display certificates, awards, and medals. Open shelves are suitable for this. The biggest problem for girls arises from the storage of a large number of things: clothes, shoes, bags, cosmetics, and other items. There are several tricks for this. 1. A bed or sofa with bottom drawers is a great extra storage space. A folding table as an extension to the windowsill will help free up space when guests come. The presence of a balcony will be great success. 4. For a woman's bedroom, a bay window will be a real find. Five. A large room can be decorated in any shade, even black. Six. Combined wallpaper would be an excellent option. Seven. It is better to decorate the floor in the girl's bedroom with the classic version.